Hi guys, welcome back to the Pix Compose. This is Ranish Malhan. So basically today we are going to see how we can get the Photoshop from the Adobe website. So here you can see that I have opened a browser. This one is the Opera browser. You can use any browser. Here in the search bar, type in Adobe Creative Cloud. Here you can see that we have the Adobe Creative Cloud. Press enter. And now we have all the links related to Adobe Creative Cloud. We can choose any one of these. I will go with this. There are two links which will attract us. The first one is for the trial versions. We can get the trial versions from here. And second one is for the to compare the plans. If we want to buy a plan from the Adobe, we can compare those plans from here. Let's compare the plans. So now here you can see that we have four types of plans. Basically the first category is for the individuals, second one is for the business, and third one is for students and teachers, and fourth one is for the schools and universities. Basically the pricing for the students and teachers is way cheaper. You can see that we can get these softwares on 60% discount if we are a student and have .edu email address with us. So now as we are individuals, we can go to the individuals. Here you can see that we need Photoshop. So for the Photoshop we have to pay 1420 rupees per month exclusive of GST. That means GST will be added extra. And if we go to the photography plan, here you can see that we have the Photoshop again in this plan, but the pricing is way cheaper. Here you can see that this one will cost us 676 rupees per month, which is also exclusive of GST, but it will be way cheaper. So in this plan we will also get the Lightroom, we will also get the Rush for 3 renders. So this one is very good plan for me as compared to this one. In this plan we will get 1 TB of space for the cloud storage, but here we will get 20 GB of cloud storage space, which is sufficient for me basically. Now if we want to buy it, click on buy it. Now here you can see that I already have this membership, that's why I don't have to fill in anything here. So basically what you have to do, you have to create Adobe account here, and then you can select the pricing options. You can pay monthly with the annual contract, or you can make the one-time payment for the year. So I am making the payment on the monthly basis. You can see that here. The total amount I am paying is 797.68 rupees per month. So now basically we want to get the softwares. From where we can get the softwares? Go back to the Adobe, and firstly let's see how we can get the trial versions. For the trial versions we will go back to the main page. Here you can see that we again have the start your trial button. We can click here. You will get the trial for 7 days. So you can download any software from here for the trial. You can click on start free trial, but I will suggest you to download the Creative Cloud because it will help you to manage everything in the desktop. So we can click on download. Now here you can see that the downloading is started. So I can click on save. You can see that the software is downloaded. Now we can double click on that. So here we can see that it is installing the Creative Cloud. This one is the Creative Cloud installer. So after that we will get the whole list of the softwares, which will include the Photoshop, and we can click on install button and it will be installed. Installing the Adobe softwares is very easy. We can see that after the Creative Cloud installer is installed. So let's wait. I am going to click on OK. Here you can see that all the categories of the softwares which are available here. So basically we have the photography bundle, so that's why we will have all the softwares related to the photography. So here are the softwares which are available in our subscription. The first one is Photoshop, which we want, and here are the plus. So these are the softwares which are bundled in our package. So now for the Photoshop I will click on install, and also I want the Bridge because Bridge is very good software which is very useful with the Photoshop and other softwares of the Adobe. So click on install. Here you can see that installation is started and we have 7% installation done. So let's wait for the installation. So now you can see that we have softwares installed. Here you can see that an extra software is installed with the Photoshop, which is Camera Raw. The Camera Raw is integrated software with the Photoshop. We have to open the Photoshop to access this software. So basically now we want to open the Photoshop. From where we can open the Photoshop? Here you can see that the open button. So we can click on open. Our Photoshop is now opening. So here you can see that the Photoshop is opened. It was very easy to install the software and the subscription is very cheap. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel if you like our video, and do press the bell icon for the further notifications of our video. Thanks for watching.